Close your eyes for a second. Nothing but darkness, right? Now keep them closed and just listen. Maybe you hear a ticking clock or a car in the distance. Our world is filled with light and sound, two amazing forms of energy that let us understand everything around us. Let's start with light. It's energy that travels in incredibly fast straight lines called rays. When these rays hit an object, they bounce off it and into our eyes. This is called reflection, and it's how we see. A smooth mirror reflects almost all the light, showing you a clear image. Light comes from natural sources, like the sun, and artificial ones, like the light bulb in your room. Now, let's turn up the volume on sound. Every sound you've ever heard is made by something vibrating, moving back and forth very fast. If you pluck a guitar string, you can see it vibrate. If you touch your throat and hum, you can feel it. These vibrations travel through the air in tiny waves, like ripples in a pond, until they reach your ears. Your brain then tells you what the sound is. A small vibration makes a quiet sound, like a whisper. A huge vibration makes a loud sound, like thunder. But here's the catch. Those vibrations need something to travel through, like air. That's why in the vacuum of outer space, it's completely silent. So those big explosions you see in space movies, in reality, they wouldn't make a sound. Our bodies are perfectly built to be sense detectives. Our eyes act like little cameras for light, and our ears are shaped like funnels to catch sound waves. We rely on them for safety every day. A red traffic light uses light to tell cars to stop. A loud siren uses sound to tell us an ambulance is coming. Light and sound are more than just science. They are the languages that help us navigate our world and take care of each other.